What if I told you that over 2,500 years ago, the ancient Greeks had already cracked the code to the perfect body? No gym memberships, no protein shakes, no machines, just 3 exercises movements so powerful they built warriors who could run, fight, swim, and dominate for hours. And today, these same 3 exercises are about to replace your entire workout routine. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, your training will never be the same. Close your eyes for a second and imagine ancient Olympia. Greece, the year is 400 BC. Thousands of spectators line the stadium. The air smells of olive oil and sweat. And on the field, athletes who trained with nothing but their own bodies and a few simple tools, yet they looked like living sculptures. These were the original Olympians, and their training philosophy was radically simple. Master a few movements, do them with intensity, repeat. Sounds almost too easy, right? But here's the thing, modern fitness has made things incredibly complicated. We have chest day, leg day, arm day, back day, dozens of machines, hundreds of exercises. And yet most people still aren't getting the results they want. What if the problem is that we've been doing too much, not too little? Today we're going back to the source. I'm going to show you the 3 ancient Greek exercises that work your entire body, build real-world strength, and can genuinely replace your whole workout. Exercise number 1. And if you've been skipping this, we need to have a serious conversation, is the pancration push-up. Pancration was the most brutal sport in the ancient Greek Olympics. It combined wrestling, boxing, and grappling, and athletes trained their upper bodies with a pushing movement that's essentially the grandfather of what we now call the push-up. But this isn't your average chest-to-floor push-up. The Greeks performed a version using elevated rocks or logs, creating a deeper range of motion, what we now call the deficit push-up. Here's what makes this movement a full replacement for half your gym session. It targets your chest, all 3 regions. The deep stretch at the bottom activates muscle fibers that a flat bench press never touches. It hammers your triceps. Go slow on the way down and feel your triceps screaming by rep 8. It builds serious shoulder stability because you're controlling your own body weight, not a machine. Your rotator cuff and stabilizer muscles are working overtime. It even hits your core. Try holding a perfect plank position through 15 reps and tell me your abs don't feel it. Now here's the Greek secret: they didn't bang out reps fast. They used slow, controlled tempo. 3 seconds down, 1 second pause at the bottom. Explosive press back up. That tempo shift turns a simple push-up into a muscle-building machine. Your target: 4 sets of 10-15 reps with a 3-1-1 tempo. Rest 60 seconds between sets. If you want an added challenge, elevate your feet on a box. Your upper chest will thank you. Exercise number 2 is what I call the Spartan squat, and the Spartans literally trained with this from childhood. Spartan warriors had to march for miles, sprint into battle, and fight for hours without resting. Their legs weren't just strong, they were indestructible. The secret? A deep, full-range squat performed with load. Historically, Greek soldiers trained carrying heavy stones, what we'd now call a goblet squat or zercher squat pattern. This one movement done correctly replaces your entire leg day. Here's why. Your quads work hardest at the bottom. A half squat barely loads them, but when you break parallel and sink into a deep squat, every quad fiber fires at once. Your glutes activate at the top. Drive your hips through at the peak contraction and squeeze. That's where glute development happens. Your hamstrings control the descent. Slow down on the way down, and your hamstrings are working as hard as they would on a leg curl machine. Your calves, adductors, and lower back are all stabilizing through every single rep. And here's the kicker: squatting deep also improves your hip mobility, your knee health, and your posture. It's not just an exercise, it's physical maintenance. Spartan protocol, bodyweight version, 3 sets of 20 deep squats, no half reps allowed. Weighted version, 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps holding a dumbbell, kettlebell, or heavy backpack at your chest. Slow and deep beats fast and shallow every single time. Exercise number 3 is the one that will transform your back, biceps, and grip, and it's been humbling humans since the ancient world. The Olympian pull, or what we know today as the strict pull-up, was a cornerstone of Greek athletic training. Ancient Greek athletes used stone rings and tree branches. Today you need one horizontal bar. That's it. Let me tell you why this single movement wipes out half your back workout. Your lats, the biggest muscles in your back, do the heavy lifting. Every time you pull your chest to the bar, you're building the wide V-shaped back that defines athletic posture. Your biceps get a full peak contraction at the top of every rep without a curl machine in sight. Your rear deltoids and rhomboids fire to keep your shoulders pulled back and down, fixing that hunched forward posture most people struggle with. Your grip and forearm strength develop naturally with every set. Now here's the Greek twist: they valued the negative, the lowering phase, more than the pull itself. Take 4 to 5 seconds to lower yourself down from the bar. This eccentric loading builds more muscle and tendon strength than the pull-up alone. The Olympian protocol. Beginners. 3 sets of 3 to 5 reps. Focus on full range and slow negatives. Intermediate. 4 sets of 8 to 12 strict reps. Advanced. Weighted pull-ups, add a dumbbell between your legs or use a weight belt. If you can't do a pull-up, yet start with Australian pull-ups using a low bar or use a resistance band. Build up gradually. The strength will come. So let's talk about how to use these 3 exercises as a complete program. The 3 exercise Greek workout. Pankration, push-up, Spartan squat, Olympian pull. Perform this workout 3 days per week with a rest day between each session. That's it. Push, squat, pull, repeat. These 3 movement patterns cover your entire body, every major muscle group, every joint angle, every plane of motion. The ancient Greeks didn't need cable flies or leg extensions, and honestly, neither do you. The simplicity is the point. When you master a few things deeply rather than doing everything poorly, your body responds. The Greeks built civilizations, waged wars, and competed in the world's first Olympic Games. And they did it on the back of simple, brutal, effective training. You don't need a 100 per month gym. You don't need 6 different exercise machines. You need a bar, some floor space, and the discipline to show up. Give this 3 exercise program 8 weeks. Trust the process. And if you found value in this video, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which exercise you're starting with first. I'll see you in the next one.